My name is Santiago Domingo. I work in Valencia, Spain in the oncology department of Hospital Universitario La Fe. I've been working in oncology and in minimal invasive surgery for my last 10-15 years. And I have been included in many groups of learning and teaching minimal invasive surgery, suturing in wet and lab places. But I have to say that Alexia is one of the best places I have been because it's so well structured. So the lectures are close to the lab. You have a dry lab, a wet lab. That makes that the feedback of the teachers, the trainers and the trainees is so close and so good. And for sure, even if it's only in 2 days as this workshop I've been this time, is sometimes more than enough to get the skills, knowledge, and take home so very good messages to start working with laparoscopy. So, thanks to all the group. It has been a pleasure to be with you in Alexandria. Hope to see you soon.